In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Wayfair both before and after it has shipped. Canceling an order can sometimes be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to wayfair.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Wayfair account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to do so at the top right of the page. Enter your details and gain access to your account. After you've logged in, the next step is to go directly to your account settings, where you'll find a section labeled My Orders. This is the command center for all things order related on Wayfair. Click on My Orders and you will find all of your recent purchasing activity laid out in front of you. This page holds a detailed history of your orders, allowing you to manage them efficiently. Now, take a moment to identify the specific order you wish to cancel. Carefully skim through your order history and select the one you're interested in. It's essential to ensure that this is the correct item, especially if you've been a frequent shopper on Wayfair recently. Finding the right order is crucial to avoid any unwanted cancellation mishaps. Once you've honed in on the target order, the magic happens if you spot the cancel button next to it. This button is usually available if the order hasn't reached the shipment stage. If it's visible, it means you are still in the clear to stop that order from going forward. But remember, timing is everything here. If your order is already too far along in the fulfillment process, you might not see this option. Go ahead and click that cancel button. It will prompt you to submit a cancellation request. Simply follow the additional instructions, if any, to complete your request submission. At this point, Wayfair will process your cancellation request, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly detailing the status of your request. However, if the cancel button is not visible and your item has already shipped, don't worry yet. In such cases, you'll need to keep an eye out for updates on your order's delivery status. Once the package arrives, Wayfair has a straightforward return policy. You'll be able to initiate a return from the same My Orders page. Just remember to check each order individually, as policies might slightly vary based on product type or seller. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now feeling confident about managing your Wayfair orders like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in